Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Toast Speedy Production Gaming. So this is the controller I use. I think it's my angle, so yeah. Finally you get to see my face in the gaming video. I wasn't lying, I was wearing glasses. Okay, so I'm so excited. This video is sponsored by Squid-O-Matic. So today we're playing one block. I had enough coins. So I've already got a head start just to practice, so I'm sorry about that. I'm making our music. So this is what I had was so far handled. So if you just do this, you can see a pig, which is a pig museum. So I'm growing a tree here, which needs water. So basically the whole point is put a block like this, and you use shift automatically so it'll fall. And it's an infinite block, so you can break it underneath you and it won't break. Only thing you need is make it not camouflage. So yeah. And then you make an island bigger like this, and then you try and go to the other islands. I did not see that one over there. How many clays can I make? Make 2 of these. So you build your way there. So you make 8 of these. Using the mathematical equations. So first we said we wanted to go to that tiny island. So to be accurate, we need to be a bit further. There is some other blocks hanging off. And if you die, you lose all your items. And if you fall off the ground, or if you die from a mob, I kept falling off the ground. Wait, where did it go? Oh, it's over there. So this is what happens. Wait, we just do this. This is what happens. So oh no! I fell down. Youch, youch. Are you down? So respawn. Okay. So I need still need to look this way. So you will see things falling. I will despawn. I'll give you an example. Actually, don't. So yeah, let's congregate the blocks. So I'm just building a random terrarium. Do you hear that? So satisfying. So thank you for my 7 subscribers, but I need a bit more. No way! Just lost that word. See those habits. Good, you need me super close. So we got some more stuff to build through. Can I just do this, but you can't? Can I just do this, but you don't? So, oh, look at that dungeon one. What? Normally the normal one. Haha. It doesn't really have any islands like this, but this is modded, so yeah. I didn't have enough coins. I didn't mean coins, money. This was £2.49. I did this just for you, okay? Be respectful. Did we just pause? Oh. No. It's like those tightropes I have to walk on. Let me get a building house. Oh, look, I got a sperm sapling, I think. Wait, what is that called? Birch sapling. Oh my gosh! Oh, that scared me. What's up? Yeah. Okay, no, you don't. Get up. Don't you dare fall down. I mean, you're not my favorite color. I like the rainbow sheep. In Minecraft, in real life, I don't like the rainbows. Get up! Get the little life up! Get up! Oh, come on. Now it's a push contest day. Oh, come on. Find a leg up on your devils. Close your. Be doing what? Okay. Come on, seriously? Seriously? I need a building though. My house. I need a house. Which is so furious right now? I just ate some spicy chicken, so yeah. Shoo. Did you see that trick? Oh, my hand's that way. My hand's that way, not that way. I was putting in that direction in real life. If you met me in real life in my little home, so yeah. Also planted birch somewhere. So we've got 50,000 blocks left to go. I think. If this was real life, oh god, this is tough. Get out of here. Implore something. Oh, I didn't even recognize. I was like, why? This thing was out. Sprout. We sprouted this thing like a moat. There's no doubt. We just literally sprouted. I sprouted this basically. I didn't show you, but I don't have the clip. I was about to say, roll the clip. Okay, so actually, let's put you on here. Oh, I got 2 of these. Okay, so I'm showing the music. So we could chest. Oh, that's what that symbol means. Thank you very much. Seriously? I wonder why the chest has a hole. Is it to put in any one of the items? Seriously? Are you kidding me? What? Wait. Oh my gosh, I think. Get out of here. Get out. I know how to play. Get out. Can I at least push you? I can't push you. I have to kill you. Any type of. Well, I guess I get mining. That's what you get for not getting in there. Get in! Oops. I got some wool though, yay. How am I Mr. Big doing the kindest big on earth? Yo, what's the... I got an apple! so I can feed myself. Hey, got some XP. While I'm singing, I will complete this thing. Okay, let's go in mining. Oh, great sheep. Why am I getting sheep? I'm getting a stock of mutton. Just because I have a test doesn't... I was about to say test. Just because I have a chest doesn't mean that you give me a stock up of mutton. Oh, it's a cow, isn't it? Hello, Betsy. Get in there. Get in there. Were we pushed off? Okay, get pushed off then. No way this just happened. No! Are you will get pushed off? Is that sheep through surviving? Just sneaked. No! What? Seriously? Let me get all my wool back. I should keep them in the chest. What's going into me? What? I mean, I am sick and all. I'm gonna get 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Maybe not. Oh, we got some pig! Go join your brother in there. He's taking it all lonely. You're in there. I'll push you in there then. Go up. Otherwise, you... Okay, I'm pushing you off. Yo, what? Just got 2 saplings again. Let's go. Okay, so that's kind of flushed now. Can I find it? I don't know. Okay, anyways. So listen to something. Oh, you can't do both at the same time. 3, 4. 16. Now we can do my final 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. Oh, come on. Is that how much space I get for a house? All I want is some house. Let me put it in this window. Three wide is okay. The 3 wide is gonna turn into a 2 wide, so where is it? So if we just do extension